Power yoga is an alternative to traditional yoga where the asanas are performed in a more active and athletic way. This means moving quickly through the poses, holding each pose for a shorter duration while coordinating the breath. The concept of power yoga is for building muscle strength and endurance, hence it is considered to be at par with a gym workout. Here are 5 power yoga poses that you can incorporate in your daily yoga sequence to improve your physical strength and flexibility. Trikonasana or triangle pose. This pose allows one's body to stretch on either side simultaneously, improving overall flexibility. The pose refreshes the body and stimulates the digestive system, thereby keeping us healthy and productive all day long. Hold the posture for a few breaths and repeat the same sequence on the left side. Practicing this asana continuously helps to reduce the piled-up stress and maintains clear focus. Ardha Chandrasana or half moon pose. The half moon pose is a standing balancing posture that strengthens the ankles, thighs, and stretches the hamstrings. It also improves your balance while working on your back and core strength. In a flow of power yoga sequence, you would go from triangle pose to half moon to downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward facing dog. Downward dog offers a great full body stretch and as a bonus is a perfect gentle inversion. This encourages blood to circulate well and rinse out the lymph nodes, which in turn calms the brain and relieves stress. Stay here for 5 breaths and up to 2 minutes. Paribrata Trikonasana or revolved triangle pose. This variation of Trikonasana is a great back and core strengthener. The twisting or revolving action also acts as a massage to our internal organs, helping them to remain in top function and maintain their ability to rid toxins. Engage your quadriceps and feel the strength in your legs. Hold the pose for 5 to 8 breaths and then switch sides. Chaturanga Dandasana or plank pose. The plank pose is a popular pose which is performed in the Surya Namaskara sequence. This pose is beneficial for your entire body since it requires a lot of muscle activation and strength. This aids you in everyday tasks such as sitting and bending while increasing your awareness and relieving back pain. These were 5 yoga poses that you can incorporate with your power yoga workout. Keep in mind that power yoga sequences vary and generally based on each person's requirement. It is recommended that you also practice Surya Namaskar as it is also centered around building muscle strength and endurance.